back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kim. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I am so excited because today I am unboxing my first ever order from Grove Collaborative. I just want to mention that this video is not sponsored in any way. I just love some of the products that they offer on their website that you can also get from Target, such as this Method All-Purpose Surface Cleaner. I love this. This is in the pink grapefruit. You guys see me use this a ton. And also, I do use the Method Squirt and Mop for my hardwood floors. This is very convenient for just quick mops. Like sometimes I'm just so tired by the end of the night. All you need is just some water and you just, you know, dip it in the little mop thingy and you just mop, and it's just so fast and it's so quick and easy, and your house smells so fresh afterwards. So I use, these are some of the products that I do use that they offer on Grove. So I'm so excited to share everything. So I'm sure that some of you have heard of Grove Collaborative before, but for those of you who don't know, they are an online website that sell organic and non-toxic cleaning products. There's no super harsh chemicals in them, and what's so great about them is that they deliver straight to your door. I think I ordered this, I think I received it within a week. It was really fast, and I was so excited when I got them. I heard their doorbell ring and I was so excited because it was just like Christmas again. So the first item I just pulled out is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lavender Scent Room Freshener. And I love how they have this blue tape on there just so it doesn't spill or accidentally spray in the box, and it keeps it nice and clean. I love this. So with room fresheners, I love after you finish cleaning a room, you just spray this and it smells really good. I use one, I just don't remember, and it's also in the lavender scent, but I'm so excited to use this one. It's made with essential oil, so I'm so excited to use this. I also got the same thing, the room freshener, but this is in the lemon verbena. Is that how you say it? So I got two, and I was thinking of using the lavender scent for like my rooms, like the bedrooms, and using the lemon scent for my bathroom. So that's why I got two. So I never bought this one before. It's the Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner in the Wildflowers. And for those of you who do know me, my favorite color is purple. So I'm so excited because I love it when it comes in like a pretty package. It just looks so nice. I'm so excited to use this. I see a lot of cleaning ladies use this one and they say it smells really good. I always use the pink grapefruit, but I'm so excited to change it up a bit. Okay, the next one I got is the Method Daily Shower Cleaner. This is in the Eucalyptus Mint. It comes in such a big bottle, and I love the clear look. So it says, "We think clean smells like fresh mint leaves, not chemicals." So I really like that. So I'm excited to use this. And I have, this is Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day in the lemon scent. This is a multi-purpose cleaner. So the next item I got is the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. It's in the lemongrass scent. So I'm planning on using this like for my stove, for the stove tops. I do a lot of cooking, if you guys don't know. I cook almost every single day. I'm so excited about all these new scents because I always use the pink grapefruit, and I'm one of those people that I always just stick to the same thing. I don't know if you guys are the same way, but I stick to the same thing every time. And so I'm so excited to get out of my comfort zone and start finding new stuff to add. Okay, so I bought two types of toilet cleaners. I'm gonna try them both. This is the Method Antibacterial Toilet Cleaner set. But I got this one and I want to try this one out. I've heard great things about this one. It's the 7th generation. I've never used any 7th generation products, so this will be my first time ever. The next item I got is the Method Antibacterial Bathroom Cleaner. And this is in the Spearmint. I just love, it's like a huge bottle. I love these bottles. They last so long for me. And then I have, this is also from 7th generation. This is the Tub and Tile Cleaner. And then I got this Caldrea. I've heard so many people talk about Caldrea, and I'm so excited to use this one. This is the countertop spray. This is in the sea salt. And then this is the dish soap. It's in the ginger pomelo. And I think this was the free item, is the dish brush. And it says Grove on there. Yeah, so the brush head is actually detachable, so if you need to replace it, I think you just take it, they have a little thing, I just don't know how to take it off yet, but they do have a little place where you can just, I think it should pop right off. It should pop off, I just don't know how, but it's new, so it's probably hard, but it says Grove on there. And then I got the walnut scrubber sponges. And this was one of the free items. I think if you purchased more than, if your order went up to like $39, you get this. Is the Bubble Up soap dispenser and dish brush scent. And it's really, really cute. I love like the white. And this is how it comes, and then you just put soap in there and you just kind of like push them down. It's really cute and it looks really nice like on your kitchen counter. Like that. So excited to put this on the counter. Look how cute is that. And this was also free. It's the stoneware tray, and I think this is so nice to put next to your sink, and it just makes it look so nice. This is how it looks. The sun is actually coming down now. Like, I try to film this video like right after I pick the kids up from school, because I work during the day and I drive straight to the kids' school. I pick them up and I come home, I get their milk, I get their snacks ready, I kind of prepare like what I'm gonna cook for dinner, and then I'm like rushing to film this for you guys. So, but I'm so excited to put this on my kitchen counter next to the sink, and it says Grove right there. But it's so nice. You can just put this here like that, and then your little dish soap. That, how cute is that? I'm so excited. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. I love like cleaning products. I love watching these kind of videos and seeing what people purchase. For those of you who do know me, y'all know I love to clean. I just, you know, when you come home from like a long stressful day, you just want to come home to a nice clean house, and nobody's house is perfect, especially mine. My house, I feel like I'm constantly cleaning, but sometimes you have to understand, you have children, you have husbands, you have other people living with you. It can never be perfect all the time, but you know, like whenever I come home from a long day and the house is nice and clean, it just makes me feel so much better, like a million times better. And sometimes when I am stressed out and I come home, I like to clean. It's like a de-stressor for me. I like to clean, and just, you know, the reward afterwards is a nice clean home, and being able to use all these new scents is just so exciting. And I can't wait to use like these air fresheners, room fresheners. I can't wait to use these. I'm gonna smell them. Oh wow, it smells really, really good. This is in the sea salt. Like a nice fresh scent. It smells really, really good. This smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. This is the dish soap. This is in the ginger pomelo. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. So excited to use all these products. I love all of this, and I can't wait to share with you all my favorite items. So that is everything for my Grove order this time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I actually had this box just sitting in my guest bedroom for over a week now. I just didn't want to open it, and I wanted to wait to unbox it with you guys and share all my products that I got. I always love watching hauls and seeing what people buy. And let me know down in the comments what are your favorite items from Grove if you've ordered from them before. And also let me know if you guys do order. Let me know what items you are most excited about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, so I am in my bathroom right now. I'm gonna test out these products and see how much I like them. I just sprayed my mirrors down with Windex, and this is something I'm gonna use to clean my bathroom right now. And then for my toilets, I have these two products that I'm going to try out. The Method Anti-Bac, and I'm also going to try this one out. I've heard a lot of great things about this one, so I'll probably try this one out in my bathroom and this one in the kids' bathroom. So far I really like the way this smells. I usually use a Clorox one, and it's very, very strong. Like after you're done cleaning, you smell that bleach smell, and I don't like that smell. It's very, very strong. But this one actually smells really good, and I love how this works, and it's a little bit thicker, and I feel like it cleans a lot better. So I really like this. So now I'm gonna go to the kids' bathroom, and I'm gonna use this one and try this one out for you guys. But I still have a lot of Lysol left, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish using these, and once I'm done using these, I'll switch over to the 7th generation ones. But I'm gonna use all of this. There's no point in throwing them out, so I'll just finish using them and then I'll order the other ones. Okay guys, so I am back in my bathroom now. Ooh, it's super bright. But I used both of them, and I don't know, I like both of them. I love the scent of this one. It has a very clean, like it's a spearmint scent. So I really like the scent of this, but I think they both worked the same. I love both of them, and it's nice to have one in each bathroom, so I'm not running her back and forth trying to like haul them back to each bathroom. So I'm gonna keep this one in my bathroom and this one in the kids' bathroom, but I really like the scent of this one. I'm not a picky person, so I like both of them. So whichever one you feel like, I think this one is cheaper. I think the Method one is cheaper than that one. I'm not sure how much this one cost. I'm not sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.